Hi, so today I'm going to show you some foot exercises that will strengthen and improve flexibility in the feet, which is really good, especially when we shove our feet in shoes and boots, especially in the winter time. These will just stretch them out, and if you've got achy feet or just have issues with going over on your ankle or flat-footed or anything like that, or plantar fasciitis, anything like that, this will all help, and they're quite fun to do. Like a Mexican wave to start with. So lift the big toe first, and the next one, and the next one, all the way to the little one, all the way back down. Try and get as much movement as you can. Stretch the toes out wide. Up to your feet. Big toe. Next one. Next one. Next one. All the way to the little one. Then little one down. Next one. Next one. All the way back to the big one. One more go. Okay. Just lift the big toe. Just the big toe as high as you can. Put it down. Lift the big toe high as you can. Put it down. Lift the big toe. Make sure you've not clenched your knees. Core still engaged. You're still breathing. Toe down. Shoulders are still relaxed. Lift the big toe. Put it down. Last time, we're going to lift the big toe. Keep it lifted. Now you're going to lift and lower the smaller toes. Feet are our foundation for doing everything else. We need to work them, look after them. Last one. Okay, put the toes down. So thinking about the arch, we're going to lift and tense the arch. So you should feel a small movement here. You're going to push through the base of the toes, the outside edge of the foot and the heel, and try and lift inner part of the foot. Now you might not see a lot of movement, but you should feel it tense. Breathe in. They reckon over 76% of joint aches and pains start off from problems with our feet. The more we can strengthen and keep our feet flexible, the better. Last one. Okay, we're going to scrunch the toes, so scrunch them under. If you want, you can clench your fists as well and stretch them out wide. Scrunch and stretch. Scrunch. Stretch, crunch, stretch, crunch, stretch, crunch, and stretch. Last one, scrunch and stretch. You're going to push onto your toes and the tops, toes and tops, toes and tops. Change sides, toes and tops, toes and tops, toes and tops. Change sides, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge, outside edge. Change sides, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge, outside edge, and come back to feet parallel. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and pick up a tissue. So put it down on the floor and pick it up. So you're going to scrunch and pick, scrunch and pick. Try the other foot. scrunch and pick. Keep going. And we're going to do heel and toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, change sides, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And we're going to come up onto our toes and then circle the ankle. Then the other direction. So quite gentle with the weight on the toe. Change sides, up on the toe and circle the heel. And the other direction, you'll find one direction feels more comfortable than the other. So another thing to do would be to get a pot and roll the foot along it. It needs to be something reasonably sturdy. This is an old vitamin tub. And roll the foot. Really nice if you've been for a long walk and you've got achy feet, or been on your feet all day working. And again, make sure you're rolling the inner edge, the base of the foot, all the way to the toes, and the outer edge, and do both feet. And this can be done standing or seated. And the other one you can do is use a ball. More difficult to do if you have a dog, because obviously they're going to want the ball. But just roll this. You can use a golf ball, you can use a tennis ball, and just roll it up and down the feet. You can use a rolling pin. So anything to get the feet moving and to massage the feet. Oh, this one's got a squeak in it. And then it's a really good idea. Ooh. It's a really good idea just to massage the feet and really rub and if you get the foot this way and just massage through the feet and just get them moving and move this part of the feet around, just so you're loosening the foot and just loosening the joints, just rubbing through the feet from the heel up into the toes. And you can do this when you're in the bath or when you're sitting in the evening watching TV. But we need to look after our feet, because that's what's keeping us up and helps with balance and with posture, and these are what will keep us upright when we're older. So we need to look after our feet and make sure they're flexible and give us the best balance that we can have. I hope you enjoyed that short video on feet. There'll be more videos coming online soon. Please let me know what you think.